All right, let's talk matte finishes. This is a 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Factory matte finish. It's a copper, bronze, crazy metallic pearl color. It's beautiful in the sun. But as painters, we sometimes get ahead of ourselves and think, oh no, this is going to be a problem. It's just how we're conditioned. You see something like this roll in the parking lot and your instant thought is, man, this one's going to be a headache. How am I going to get through that one? Well, this right here was painted. That was not. And that was not. Can you see any difference? Because I sure can't. Products we used here were Valorem Basecoat, solvent Basecoat system by AkzoNobel. The clear that I use on these is Sickens Mix and Matte. And basically it gives you a sheen level that you can select by doing different mixtures. This is actually M3 to match these Hyundai finishes. Successfully matched Mercedes, BMW, Kia with this clear system. As far as the base coat goes, that was actually just straight off of the code, which is YBM. There's only one variant. I did not use my camera. I tend to shy away from the camera on mattes. It doesn't really see through the matte very well. I would have used my camera or just seen what it gave me, but my paint rep is Bob Allison, and my equipment's not working at the moment. But when Bob Allison is your paint rep, your equipment tends to work about as much as he does, which is about half the time. Actually, the equipment fault is no fault of Bob Allison's, it's my own, because my computer is not an AkzoNobel approved device, which I have one and I'm going to switch that up. Sometimes they tend to make changes to the software, and sometimes those software changes don't agree with what computer you have if it's not an AkzoNobel device. So I'm going to go ahead and get the AkzoNobel computer hooked up today, tomorrow, and be back in business with the camera. But just like to share with you guys matte finishes, and there's really no reason to be scared of them anymore. Even when you get a color like this. I mean, look at that. That's incredible. This color is absolutely beautiful outside. And I still get in my head too. When I got this call saying, hey man, can you fix this door? I thought, oh man, I don't know. I said, that's going to be a challenge, but that's just my old painter brain thinking. But man, when you really have the right products, stuff like this is not an issue anymore. And these are going to be more and more, if you haven't seen any matte finishes yet, you're going to start seeing a ton of them. A ton. So you need to get your system down. Get some spray outs going with these different finishes to see what matches what, because that is the deciding factor, is the sheen. It really is. Like I said, Valorem Basecoat by AkzoNobel, sold by OKQ. Mix and Matte Clear by AkzoNobel, Sickens line. Can't go wrong.